Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I am an author and cartoonist. As you may know, the people who are visiting again, I have a lot of great viewers and new people who would like to learn some tricks on drawing cartoons. And today I'm going to show you a very unique type of cartoon character. It's going to be sort of a grumpy puppy. What the heck is that about, right? It's funny. That's what it's about. I came up with one and I thought, I'll show you guys. So here we go. All right, so I'll give him a big head. Start off with a really big head. Why? Anybody know why? You in the back. Good answer. Because when you're young, your head is bigger proportionally than your body. So that's what we're going to do. Have a big head and a small body. Here's the center line, the eye line. And we're going to change this as we go along because it's got a few components. We want to allow ourselves the freedom to change. Okay, here's the thigh and little tail going up, little foot underneath, a fat little paw, both like that. Okay, so good. We've got that so far. Now, let me just get this down a little bit further because that is a little high here. Yeah, that's a little better. And I don't want to make the tail too big because it isn't doing very much, so I don't want to draw too much attention to it. You understand? That's a principle in drawing. If you don't want to draw attention to something, it's not doing too much, it's not important, don't give it too much detail. All right, so now we'll give the thing the detail that needs it. We're going to give the face the detail. So we're going to curve in here, like this. Actually curve it this way. Now bring this nose in like this, a little nose. Right away he's got kind of a baby type face, a baby shape to his face. Now let's bring, this is the tricky part, up. That's the top lip, that's the bottom lip, and there is the opening for the baby bottle. He's going to be a really young puppy, kind of a genius actually. Kind of an evil genius, I would say, wouldn't you? A dog that wants to take over the world. All right, let's see. In here, how about a little scarf down here, a little knot there for the scarf. I'm going to stop and see if you can keep up with that. Okay. We'll make this clear by coloring it. And put a little line here, a measuring line. Little milk bottles have that. I'm going to lower that nose just a touch. And go to the side just a touch. That's right, like that. Okay, now let's give him some very severe eyes. Heavy eyebrows on this guy. Looking sort of at us. When a dog like this is left alone by himself for an afternoon, you'll often find that your bank account has been drained. And if you ask him, he'll tell you he didn't do it, which isn't weird, but what's weird is that he'll tell you in English. Okay, so let's give him kind of flowing, kind of crazy ears. And a little baby hat. Like this. We'll have some hair just coming off the sides. I'm going to bring this down a little lower on his neck to make the body look even smaller. That's good. A couple lines for the paw. And a shadow under the bottle and under the body. This is what my dog looked like when we first got him. And I'll tell you something about my dog. He plays fetch and he's a great day trader. Anyway, so a couple of motion lines around the bottle. And you got it. An evil puppy. My favorite type. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll subscribe for new videos every week. Bye-bye.